Hello and happy Wednesday. My name is Latrina. I have a small business here in Frederick, Maryland, and I passed your establishment recently and I thought I'd reach out. I've been making these free custom videos for small businesses in the area to give tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. I'm not selling anything whatsoever, but I'm making these as a way to give back to the community after the pandemic and hopefully bring value and service to your business. However, it would be helpful if you can please give me feedback after viewing your custom video. Just let me know if it was helpful at all, or if you have any feedback for me. That would be great. So in your short video, I'm going to cover content, backlinks, and citations and why these are important website elements for you to have. I'll go over your company's online presence and make recommendations for improvement. Content is basically anything on your website, such as your words, images, and videos. You want to have at least 1,500 words on your home page at least, and 500 on your back pages. This gives Google an opportunity to scour your website and collect the relevant keywords that people are looking for when they're looking for your services. Citations are listings and directories like Google, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. It's merely your business name, address, and phone number. I have a sample on the screen here for you. You want to have as many of these on the internet as possible and even more than your competition. Then finally, we have backlinks, and backlinks is your website address located on other websites. So if you have a Facebook page, or if you're in Yellow Pages or LinkedIn or Instagram, any of these are backlinks that help to direct traffic to your website. You want to have as many backlinks as possible, similar to citations, but the more backlinks you have, the more popular your website becomes to Google. And Google places extremely high emphasis on how many backlinks a business's website has. So you want to get as many as possible that are relevant to your line of work. So let's take a peek at your website. First of all, it's very clean. I like the imagery that you have on here. The one thing that I would say is, if possible, you should have a contact us call out at the very top, like a submit, just so that people can do that right away. It's a good practice to have that at the front and center and also somewhere else on the home page, and you have one down here. So maybe just like a call us that stands out more. You also need more content on your page. If you remember, I said 1,500 words is ideal according to Google. That gives them enough time to search your page. If you don't have much content, Google doesn't spend time on your website, and as a result, they don't rank you highly. So if you have 1,500 words at least on your home page, you can outrank your competition and be listed on the front page or in the map pack. Now, let me show you what I mean. So in Google, when you search for services, auto repair, Frederick, Maryland, for example, we get an area in Google called the map pack. This is where Google places its top ranking companies with those search terms. So we use auto repair. These, according to Google, are who they consider to be their top ranking businesses. So if you are adding backlinks to your page and you're getting citations and you're adding the content that I'm suggesting, you can find yourself listed here. And why this is important is because this is prime real estate in Google. Google gets about 30 to 40% of the clicks that take place after a search happen in this map pack. The other thing I will point out is there are 4 listed here, but not all of them are listed very well. If you look at Tengas Auto Repair, they don't have a website at all. This, to me, is considered low-hanging fruit. In other words, it would be easy for you to bump them out of their place and for your website to be listed here, and as a result, get more business, right? So if we take a look right now at your Google Analytics, right now you don't have very many keywords. That's another reason that you need content, because the content allows you to put more keywords. Right now you have Frederick Auto Repair, which is okay. Family Auto Repair, Frederick, Maryland, about 40 people search for that. Family Auto, Frederick, Maryland, about 50 people search for that, which is okay. You're not getting ideally the best traffic that you could get. I should have done this before. Let me see if I can put in one of your competitors and see if they're doing much better and if you can outrank them easily. Yeah, it's not searching. Should have did this much better. Yeah. Okay. So if you see, I put in one of those competitors from the Map Pack, and compared to you, the past week you've been getting 0 clicks in Google, right? Again, that's because you only have 5 keywords and not any content on your page. But if you look at your competition, they've been getting about 56 clicks, sometimes more, sometimes in the hundreds, 150 clicks per day. So if you take the suggestions that I've offered, you could close this gap a bit. And like I said, in this Map Pack right here, this company right here, the Tengas Auto Repair, you should be able to bump them out pretty easily because they don't even have a website here. All right. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Please let me know. Shoot me a quick email if I didn't speak clearly, or if I missed something or wasn't very clear in anything I said. Please let me know that as well. My goal is to make these videos useful and to help businesses. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. I'm sorry I'm getting tongue-tied here, but have a beautiful day, and I wish you much success in your business. Take care.